Thanks, Rob. Well, a local leader in behavioral health has pulled the plug on plans to create a new treatment facility on Delaware Avenue in Buffalo. But it's not because they wanted to. As our Liz Lewin reports, Horizon Health Services is now shifting gears after the city's Common Council put an end to their project.
So if not on a commercial street, then where?
There's no denying it. The pandemic has intensified the need for more mental and behavioral health services.
Having accessible services for people to choose where they want to go is very important, and making that convenient for them.
Which is why Horizon Health Services was looking to expand its outpatient reach here at 600 Delaware Avenue in Allentown. The two-story building was being acquired by the nonprofit health agency until purchase plans were dropped last month following opposition from the Buffalo Common Council.
When it went to the council for the special use permit vote, it was tabled by the council member. After a great show of support, we ended up appealing whether we would need a permit, and that was turned down. So we withdrew our offer.
President and CEO Ann Constantino says she's very disappointed the council rejected the permit 8-1 and isn't sure why, despite a recommendation from the planning board.
We've never had any concern from the neighbors, never had any problem with our locations, except for parking. So one of the advantages of this location was the parking. We serve 14,000 people a year in outpatient. So, and there's a great need for people.
Council member Mitch Nowakowski represents the Fillmore district, which is where the building sits, and says for him, the vote came down to zoning issues and concerns amongst neighbors, not stigma.
This was a matter of if this application was congruent to the uses on that block. The location on how it is currently zoned triggered the special use permit, which is subject to scrutiny and public comment. And I think that they also had issues or concerns with hours of operation, time, parking, density.
To which Constantino says,
we have a good reputation that is stable. I don't know why somebody wouldn't want our business there.
Mary Alice, the next question is, so what's to come? The search for a new location is currently underway. Nowakowski tells me he's very hopeful that the conversation will be an inclusive one and that the community input will remain a priority. In the Information Center, Liz Lewin, Channel 2 News.